Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we're going to revisit the help section in macOS Catalina. Now, whilst the majority of us probably think we know a lot about the features that macOS has to offer, a quick look through the built-in help section can certainly show us some functionality that we didn't know existed. So let's take a look. Okay, to access the help section, this can be done in a couple of ways. So Finder is my current active application, and if I go to help, then macOS help, the user guide opens. I'll just press Command and Q to close it and show you the second way to open it, which I didn't actually know about. It's our all-knowing editor, JF, that pointed me to this. If you open Spotlight and type Help Viewer, then you can open it from whichever application you're in, which is really good to know. So I'll press Enter to open it. And it's a pretty small window in truth, which is by design because it's there to act as a guide while you're working on something else. However, for the purpose of this screencast, I will just change the size a little. This functionality, by the way, here for resizing is by a third-party application called Moom, by the way, which I use to resize my windows. When you first open it, there are several sections. So first, there is a section that shows you some smart features that are active directly from your desktop. And if I click the link, then it sends us through to some pages on how to use stacks, how to mark up PDF files, how to use Siri, and how to use mission control. And then I just need to click the back arrow to take me back to the previous page. Then as I scroll down further, there are more sections that cover different facets of how you may use your Mac. However, if we go right back up to the top, there is a link to a table of contents. So I'll click this, and this opens up a sidebar where there are a variety of sections that cover lots of different things that you can do within macOS. So these sections expand, and clicking on them will show you some details as to how to use that functionality. Lots of it you'll know already, but there will be some nuggets in there that will be new to you. So for example, let's click on Dock because I haven't actually clicked on this section before. And I bet there's something there that I didn't know. Okay, let's look. How to open items in the dock. I know the first one, I know the second one, but I didn't know item 3, I didn't know number 4, and I didn't know number 5. Wow. Okay, let's check one of those out. Let's do number 3. Command clicking an item in the dock will show it in the Finder. So I'll just minimize the help guide, and my dock is hidden to give me some more space for screencasting, but I do have QuickTime there in my dock. If I command click on it, yep, there's a Finder window open that points straight to the applications directory. So there, something that I've learned within 2 minutes of this screencast that I didn't know before. Excellent.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.